TV for kids.
Hey!
Hey, hey!
Hey, 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 come join the crew. We are learning what animals eat and do. From trunks that swing and tails that wag. Let's meet up, friends, and pack your bag.
Hello, hello, I'm Finny the Fish. Swish, swish, swish.
Make a wish.
With shiny scales that glow so bright, I swim around with pure delight.
Can you swish like Finny?
Swish, swish.
I swim, swim in the water blue. Up and down and sideways too. Flip my tail and glide away, splashing gently as I play.
Swim like Finny.
I eat small food,
Nibble, nibble.
tiny bites,
Just a little.
flakes and plants I love to eat. Every meal is such a treat. Can you pretend to nibble?
Nibble, nibble.
I breathe in water
That's so cool.
with my gills.
A special tool.
I don't need air like you and me. I breathe underwater in the sea.
Did you know fish breathe in water?
I blow bubbles,
Pop, pop, pop.
watch them float up to the top.
Round and shiny, big and small.
Bubbles dancing.
One and all. Can you make bubbles?
I'm Finny the Fish.
Calm and free, swimming happy in the sea.
When you see me, smile and say,
Hi, Finny!
come and play.
Let's all swim together. Swish, 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 swim, swim, swim.
Bubbles up,
Let's dive right in. I'm Finny the Fish. Come and play.
let's have fun the ocean way.
We met a friend and learned a lot, like what they eat and what they've got.
We heard their sounds and saw their walk. Some love to jump and some just squawk.
We clapped, we danced, we moved around and learned new things with every sound.
The fun's not over, come and stay.
We'll meet more friends another day.
So don't forget, come back and see.
More happy fun on Happy TV. Happy TV for kids.